Hi everyone. Today we are going on a photo walk. Come with me. We made it. So at this beautiful park right now. It is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm just going to walk around and take some photos. I brought my Fuji XT3. I was trying to charge my battery for my Fuji. And I don't know, I think I need to get a new battery charger. It was being a little wonky, so I charged it last night, and then when I woke up this morning, it was not fully charged. So we'll see how many photos I can get out of this bad boy. Right now, it's giving me like a three bar, and then I have another backup battery. It's really beautiful here, very peaceful. I wanted to come out here because just get out of the house. It's a beautiful day. I realized I haven't gone out for like a walk to just take some photos and be in nature, and I think that'll be really nice, and it feels so good. It's kind of cool here in the shade, but then the sun is peeking through. I'm gonna mess around with some different film presets that I have on my Fuji, and yeah, just take some beautiful photos, take in the nature and enjoy. So come along with me, and I think it'll be super fun. So pretty here. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. This park is so nice, you guys. I love this reflection right here. I want to kind of line it up. Oh, look at this mama. Is this a mama goose? So pretty. You guys are very, very fashionable. This might be a better shot of our friends over here. Hi. Oh my gosh, you guys are too cute. Look at them. Okay, last one. Thank you. So cute. Oh, I love the shot right here of the bench. I don't know, something about a good bench, you know? I'll line it up. Yeah, I want to get this bench right here. Look at all these ducks. There's so many ducks. It's so cute. And they don't even care. They're just like, yep. They're like, we're here. Major duck drama going on, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna stay out of it. Maybe I got too close. I think there's some duck drama happening. I'm not gonna stick around to find out. I'm gonna show you guys around. drama, y'all. Wild. So pretty over here. Found these little guys. Look how cute. They got the best view. Look at that. I hope I didn't disrupt them. I feel like I've been like the duck disruptor this whole... Oh no, I'm sorry. Look, they're going now. I think because of me. Look at that. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay. I think I got too close. I'm sorry. I'll leave you guys alone. I'll go now. Let's go. I feel really bad that I disrupted those ducks. There's a guy with this dog. Very cute. It's really, really nice here. I think I'm just gonna post up here. Oh, my duck friends have gotten back in the water. I think they're migrating to a different spot. Oh wait, here they are. Here's my duck crew. I'm gonna show you. You see these guys here? All right, let's take some photos, shall we? Okay, y'all, that wraps it up for me. This has been really nice. It was nice for me to just like get out in some nature, first of all, get out of the house, get in some sun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh. If I didn't have to work later in like a few hours, I would totally take a nap right here. It's so relaxing. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna end the photo walk vlog here. It was so nice being outside and just kind of like having no plan, taking a lot of photos of some ducks, disrupting some ducks by accident. I'm sorry, ducks, I did not mean to disrupt you. Yeah, it's so nice out here. And I think I'm definitely gonna come back and make this like a regular thing, at least like twice a month, come out with no plan and just take some photos and take some photos of some trees and stuff, because if you don't know already, I love nature. I made that pretty clear in my Olympus XZ1 video, which you should go watch because that was fun. I go on a hike and take photos with my Olympus XZ1 and basically just talk about my love for nature. So if you watched that video already, you already know my love for nature. But yeah, there's a lawnmower coming my way, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm not gonna take a nap. I'm gonna head back to my car. I think I'm gonna get some coffee. I kind of want like a blueberry
blueberry muffin or something. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog photo walk and taking a photo walk with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.